Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Ntp DDoS program using Ntp Ampflication Attack. I would recommend watching a video on how Ntp Ampflication Attack works before watching this. So basically what I've done so far is I've imported everything we need. I've locked the threads. I've made data the mon list requests, and I have a list of Ntp servers. So I'm going to paste all this stuff in the description. So what I'm going to do now is press enter on the end of this line so I can make a new line. Okay, so then we need to get the victim's IP. Then we're going to create a socket. So right? Yeah, that's right. Then we need to define the port for ntp servers, which is 123. Then we're going to oh, a little ahead of myself. Alright, next thing we're going to do is I have a pre-made packet here which I'm going to use. I'm going to paste this in the description as well. Alright, so now we need to cycle through the MPT list. And once the MPT list reaches 15, we're going to reset it. So we want to cycle through it. Now if you wanted to, we're going to use Y to count how many times we've sent the packet. We're just going to count it. Let's do like 1,000. Or you can do as many as you want. 10,000. Okay. Then we're going to print packets sent. Now we need to start the thread. And we're pretty much done, but we're gonna make 2 threads. Alright, now let's see if we've messed up anywhere. Alright, we're just going to call this YouTube Ntp. So we've got invalid syntax at the top here. Okay, that's why, because we did. And if you want to see the bottom of it, it's right here. Alright, we're just going to do. Alright, so it's working. That's pretty much all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I recommend watching a video about Ntp Ampflication Attacks. I think Computer File has a really good one about it. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, let me know why in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.